Cops probe extortion link in Hanover shooting, as several people have been taken into custody.
Teach them! Always make sure the message will reach them!
Detectives investigating the shooting that claimed 3 lives and left 4 people injured in Santoy, Hanover on Wednesday night are probing allegations that the attack could have been linked to an extortion racket being run by the 100-round gang that operates out of the Green Island section of Hanover. Reports are that shortly after 8 p.m, 55-year-old Michael Smith, a construction worker of Logwood, 37-year-old Mark Austin, a construction worker of Orange Bay, and 43-year-old Omar Mahabi, a businessman of Orange Bay Road in Logwood, Hanover, were in the process of installing surveillance cameras at the D&K Minimart in the vicinity of Santoy Square when 4 men entered the establishment posing as customers. The men brandished handguns and opened fire at the workmen installing the cameras and other persons sitting at the entrance to the supermarket, killing the 3 men and injuring 4 others. Some of the victims were reportedly chased to the rear of the supermarket by 2 of the gunmen during the onslaught. Since the shooting, there have been whispers in the community that an extortion ring had been operating in the community and that the establishment may have been targeted. However, the police say they could not definitively say whether the attack was linked to the installation of the cameras. Meanwhile, several people have been taken into custody by the police as investigations continue. The police on the ground have not said how many people are in custody, and they have also not ruled out other possible motives. There are a lot of issues that investigators are looking at, and we are not ruling out any at this stage, said Assistant Commissioner of Police Clifford Chambers, who is in charge of the Area 1 Division. Chambers anticipates that there will soon be a breakthrough in the triple murder. People have been picked up, people are being profiled, statements are being recorded, but we will wait on the detectives to give us a direction, he said.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!